Hello and welcome to Enterprise University. In the first part of this exercise, we will learn how to configure the customer billing as our commission source. The customer billing is the second level in the commission structure in Interprise Suite. We can set up the commission source for customer billing and have a customer-specific commission percent for sales representative. For example, we want to give our sales representative a 10% on retail sales and 5% on wholesale sales. To enable commissions from the customer billing, we will need to configure it from the customer ship to, then in the customer billing, and then add a customer-specific commission percent. The customer class template provides the default commission source for new customers, and this is usually set to sales representatives. For new customers, we can modify the default commission source and commission percent in the customer class template. For existing customers, we can modify the commission source and commission percent in the customer detail form. We will modify the commission source for 2 existing customers and set this to customer. From the customer module, click on the customer menu and select Find Customers. We will modify a business customer first. In the Build to Customers tab, select a business customer in the list to display the customer detail form. We will modify the commission source from the Ship to. Go to the Ship to tab, double-click on the Ship to code to load the Ship to detail form. Switch to the Setup tab and change the commission value to default. We can optionally do the same for all other Ship to addresses of the customer. Save and close the Ship to detail form. Going back to the customer detail form, let's switch to the Setup tab. In the Sales Representative field, we can select a sales representative to assign the customer to if we haven't done so in the customer setup. In the Commission field, we can select the commission source for sales representative commissions. The options are Sales Representative, Customer, and Default. If Customer, we can specify the default commission percent for the customer billing. If Sales Representative, the system will get commission percent from the assigned sales representative group, if any. Otherwise, there will be no default commission percent for new sales transactions. If Default is selected, the system will look for commissions and inventory item. If there is no commissions and inventory item, it will look for commission percent from the assigned sales representative group. Otherwise, there will be no default commissions for new sales transactions. In this example, we will set the commission source to customer and enter 5% commission. This will become the default commission for the customer orders even if there is default commission in the assigned sales representative or the selected item. Close the customer detail form. In another example, we will modify a retail customer. Let's go back to the Build Customer search list and select an individual or a retail customer. Then configure the customer ship to again and save. Let's save and close the customer ship to. In the customer detail form, switch to the Setup tab. In the Commission field, select Customer from the options and enter 10% commission. Let's save the customer detail form. When asked to update the changes to the customer shipping, we will select No to apply our changes to the customer billing only. Let's create a new sales order for the customers we modified. From the Order menu of the Customer module, select New Order. Select the business customer in the list to display the sales order form. In the Inventory tab, let's select any items from the list. Switch to the Sales Representative tab and the Commissions tab. We will find the commission percent we specified in the customer billing is applied to the order of the business customer. Let's save and close the sales order. Let's go back to the Ship to search list and select the retail customer. We will make another order for the retail customer we modified earlier. We will select any item in the inventory tab. Switch to the Sales Representative tab and Commissions tab. We will find the commission percent we specified in the Ship to is applied to the order of the retail customer. We can modify and override the default commission percent if needed. Thank you for watching. In the next exercise, we will learn how to set up Sales Representative as the commission source.